Lisingani Kungamari Lok Sabha election matungdagi center da opposition party Kungataruki Indian National Development and Inclusive Alliance India gi laingak laklagani amasung Modi gi chahi taragi anyekal haibadi amamba laingak lon gi matam loisilaklani haina All India Congress Committee Aicc gi secretary Ranajit Mukherjee na phongdokre Imphal gi Congress Bhavan da paumi shinga unabada Ranajit na makha taraduna center da India na laingak Hekpai baga Laumi Singi minimum support price pinaba legal guarantee yauba historic oiba wafam ama Congress Party na haukiba laibak pokpa numita Chhattisgarh da lauthokre MSP pinabagi demand asi laibak asida lairiba Laumi singna matam kuiraba mamangdagi tanduna lakpane BJP amasung Prime Minister Narendra Modi na lisingani taragamari gi Lok Sabha election campaign da Laumi Singi MSP gani haina miyamda thazaba pikibane Adubu chahi tara suraba fauba thamkiba washakadu thabak oina pangthokpa ngamdri loinana Laumi Singi income lisingani kungani thoi faubada double income oihangani haina Modi na phongdokkiba wafamsu manglan oina adumak lairi haina BJP na luchingmalai ngakpu hunduna ngangki Foreign bank sing da lairiba black money sing India da puraktuna laibag asigi miyam da lupa lakh taraga mga pigani haikiba amadi thabak phangdriba naha singi damak chahi khudingi thabak crore ani pigani haina phongdokkiba BJP gi wasak thabak oina pangthokpa ngamkhidre haiba wafam thamladuna AICC gi secretary asina laibag asida Modi na chahi tara laingak paibada pochai gi mamal khamthengna wangkhattuna micham miyam da awaba piri Masida natana thama panhelaba Manipur gi irang asi loisinabagi matangda ngasi fauba concrete oiba wafam amata phongdoktana tumina lairi haina asawba phongdokhi
Why are you, to the people of Manipur, to the people elsewhere, to take a hard look at the injustice that has been meted out to us, the people of India, over these 10 years, to go back to a governance where governance is actually about getting better politics for people, a better society for people, communal harmony, about economic justice, about employment, about jobs. And we know that in a few months, the people of India are working towards this, are talking about this. And we are sure that in a few months, this will be answered at the ballot box. This will be answered at the EVM. And the people of India will answer the Modi government for all this injustice.